This is a quadratic expression. A, B and C are constants. A must not be 0. Sometimes a quadratic expression like this can be factorized into 2 brackets. We're going to restrict ourselves to the case where A is 1, that's to say there's no number in front of the x squared. For example, x squared plus 5x plus 6. If the number term is positive, both brackets have the same sign as the middle term, positive in this case. Furthermore, the factors of 6 have to add to give the coefficient of the x term. Possible factors of 6 are 1 and 6 and 2 and 3, and it's 2 and 3 that we would need. So the factors are x plus 2 and x plus 3. Similarly, x squared minus 5x plus 6. The number term is positive, so both brackets have the same sign as the middle term, namely negative, and the factors of 6 again have to add to give 5. So the factors will be x minus 2 and x minus 3. If the number term is negative, the signs for the 2 brackets are opposite. In this example, the factors of 6 now have to have a difference of 5. So 1 and 6 are the right factors to use. It matters into which brackets the 1 and 6 go. And the larger factor always goes to the bracket with the same sign as the middle term. So we get x plus 6 and x minus 1 in this example. Similarly, x squared minus 5x minus 6. The minus in front of the 6 means the brackets have opposite signs. The middle term has to be obtained by the difference in the factors of 6. So 1 and 6 are the right factors to use, and the larger factor 6 goes with the negative term. You can always check that you have the right factors by multiplying out the brackets. In this case, the first terms multiply to give x squared, the outside terms multiply to give minus 6x, the middle terms multiply to give plus x, the last term becomes minus 6, and when it's collected up, it comes back to x squared minus 5x minus 6. Factorizing quadratic expressions like this leads us on to factorizing quadratic equations, by which means we can solve equations in the cases that the equations can actually be factorized. If we start with x squared plus 5x plus 6 equals 0, the left-hand side factorizes to x plus 2 multiplied by x plus 3. For these to multiply to give 0, one or other of them has to be 0. We don't know which, so both are possible. So either x plus 2 equals 0, and x equals minus 2, or x plus 3 equals 0, and x equals minus 3.